In front of me is Doogee X95, and today I would like to show you how you can operate all vibration options available on this Doogee. First of all, go into Settings. Now tap on Sound section over here and click on this switcher next to Vibrate Vocals. This way, you will enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. Now tap on Shortcut to prevent ringing. Over here, you can set up Vibrate right away by clicking on it and then tap on the back button. Lastly, scroll all the way down and click on Advanced. Then scroll down again and tap on the switchers next to Vibrate when call connected, Charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibration to enable or disable haptic feedback for all of those features. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!